Hello everyone, welcome to Maika Kids channel. Today, we're going to explore the zebra, one of the most unique and recognizable animals in the wild. The zebra is a member of the horse family, known for its distinctive black and white striped coat. These stripes not only make zebras easily identifiable, but also play an important role in camouflage. The stripes help reduce the likelihood of being spotted by predators in the grasslands and savannas. Zebras have a strong build, with long muscular legs that allow them to move quickly and escape danger. Zebras live in herds, typically consisting of females, young, and one mature male. The herd helps zebras protect each other from predators and find food. Zebras have a rich communication system, using vocalizations and body language to maintain connections within the herd and alert each other to dangers. Zebras are herbivores, primarily eating grasses, leaves, and other vegetation. They have flexible movement and can run at high speeds to avoid predators like lions and tigers. Zebras can travel hundreds of kilometers in search of food and water. Zebras play a crucial role in their ecosystem. By grazing on grasses and other plants, they help maintain the balance of the grassland and savanna environments. Their presence also creates pathways in the grasslands, making it easier for other animals to move around. While zebras are not severely endangered, some species like the gravy zebra face threats from habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect zebras from population decline and habitat loss.